Go.
Get away from me, girlfriend. I'm looking so sexy.
My brother's prettier than me.
I'm up next one right now.
He looks like a girl. Go show your mom.
Let's go show Mom.
That was great.
No one trips me.
He looks like Julian Star.
We're going to show Mom.
Nobody messes with me. No.
He looks like Jeffrey Star.
No.
Okay, now me and him are going to the bathroom and we're actually
We're showing mom. Maybe show your mom.
Hey girlfriend.
I am so much prettier than you.
Is this
Like,
a video?
not
Yep.
funny. What did you say, girlfriend? You know my you're my
Ow!
girl.
How he
Hey,
hit me?
homegirl, calm down now. No,
This is actually supposed to be mine.
no, you didn't.
Hey,
Jessica. Oh, no, you.
Michael, do you have underwear on?
Oh!
Flashy flash.
It's like a skinny hoe.
Stop, no, make a new one because...
No, Mom wants to see you.
Mom wants to see.
No, but
Time to my event right now.
make a new it better. Hi.
Look at his butt.
Can you take Mindy and Bailey home, Mom?
Yeah.
This is just...
You can see her real hair.
Or, you know, I
peeping
could drive them.
I gotta go to the bathroom.
out.
A little too much for me, Michael.
The end. How do I stop?